see that you love Jesus first. It's plain to me, and that you sit close and hear his heartbeat. For in your eyes I see shining love that speaks so clear, and I can hear them saying so sweetly, he is lovely, he is holy, he gave supremely that all men might see, and he is gentle, tender-hearted, my risen Savior, he is God. Master Maker, sweet life Creator, come and dwell in me, that my heart may know your tender mercy. Come shine through me that all may see your love so full and free, and I'll declare your praise through endless ages. You are lovely, you are holy, gave supremely that all men might see. You are gentle, tender-hearted, risen Savior, you are God. Oh, you're so lovely, holy, holy, gave supremely that all men might see. You are gentle, tender-hearted, risen Savior, you are God. Oh, let's just tell the Lord how much we love him tonight. Holy, holy, you gave supremely that all men might see.